ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट के लिए कौन से टाइप का बनाना खाना चाहिए? Yes, you heard it right. There are so many variety of bananas, but there is one specific banana which is very, very good for the brain development of any child and especially for a neurodiverse child. Don't forget to share this reel with somebody you know who loves to eat bananas. Now, the best banana for the brain is elaichi banana. It is this much in size. It has less sugar content, so when the child eats it or anybody eats it, there is no sudden spike in the blood sugar. One surprising fact is that this particular elaichi banana has more fiber, more potassium than any other banana, especially the Cavendish banana. The bananas that you get which are bigger in size. You know that I've told you what all the brain needs in terms of vitamin B. Vitamin B6 is very, very important for the brain, and this elaichi banana has plenty of it. Also, this banana is rich in tryptophan, which creates serotonin. Serotonin, as you know, is an extremely useful chemical to keep the mood calm, to keep the mood happy. So in the nutshell, having this elaichi banana in a day will boost the child's focus, better sleep and better mood. You need to make sure that you're not feeding the child overripe bananas, which means extra पका हुआ banana आपको नहीं देना है बच्चे को. It has to be decent. It has to be okay ripe. According to Ayurveda also, ye elaichi banana helps to balance the Vata dosh. You know that there is Vata dosh imbalance in children who are neurodiverse. Now, one more thing that you have to keep in mind is no more banana shakes, which means you cannot mix milk with a fruit like banana and make a shake. So please avoid this. Lastly, something I've told you in the past, do not take banana later in the evening. Try to finish taking this before 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock by the evening time. Lastly, if you want to know what should you pair the banana with, आपको किस चीज के साथ ये banana देना चाहिए जिससे it becomes a complete snack, a complete nutritional snack for the child's brain, better mood, better sleep, better focus. You can comment yes below. We will send it to you in your messages.